May tanong ako sa'yo, pare. Papayag ka ba na may gantong kapatid? Siguro naman hindi, no? Kasi dito sa game na to ay meron akong kapatid, okay? Babaeng kapatid na may ginawang kakaiba. Hindi ko alam kung nakakita siya ng multo or something, pero pare, parang may tinawag siya. And yeah, ayun, di sa game na to ay meron tayong babae na kapatid and I think nakakita siya ng something na may friend daw kami or something, and yeah, it turned out really bad. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. The game name is Matilda. Peace.
You
Peace out.
stupid.
Okay na, laruin na natin. Matilda. For sure, ito naman yung maging bida dito. Start na natin. May mga mode din. Siyempre, dun tayo, basic lang sa akin mga horror games. Kaya dun tayo sa hard mode. Oh, ito na. Ay, wow. Tayo ba mismo si Matilda? At tayo ata mismo si Matilda eh. Oo nga, no, parang tayo nga mismo si Matilda, pre. Hey, sweetie. Come to the kitchen real quick. Your dad and I need to tell you something. Uy. Come on, hurry up. Parang ang ganda naman ni Mama. Go to the kitchen. Ba't ang dilim? Wal buksan. Kapatid mo si Matilda? Ba't ano nangyari sa'yo ni Papa? There you are. Where's your sister? Kapatid dad si Matilda. Don't tell me she's still upstairs. Go call her for me. Food's getting cold and we're already running late. Tell her to calm down. Now, go on. Sino ba si... I'll go upstairs and call Matilda. Okay, let's call Matilda. Gusto ko to may voice. Ang dilim. Wala ba ang flashlight? Cellphone. Di pa digunin? Asa yung taas? Ito? Ito nga. Grabe naman tong bahay na to. Okay, sige. Wait, paano buksan? Ito pala. Matilda! Naalala ko yung si ML eh, Matilda. Mukha ng ate ko yung nanay. What? Matilda! Wala akong makita. Parang roleplay lang. Asan si Matilda? Ito. Ayun na! Matilda! Matilda! Dad wants you downstairs. Right now? Yes. He sounded mad. Oh no. The world is ending. I'm serious, bro. I know. Give me a second. He said hurry. You always sound scared when you talk to me. No, I don't. You do. Alright, tiny human. Tiny human? Let's go before Dad explodes. Huh? A few minutes later. Galing ko ba yung boss yung oops yun? Alright, listen up. Your mom and I are going out tonight. It's our anniversary. We're going to that concert she keeps talking about. You wanted to go too. Yeah, but somebody made us late. I was busy. Anyway, we're already running late. We'll be back really late tonight. How late? Very late. You'll both be asleep by then. So don't wait up for us. Finish your homework. Brush your teeth. And don't stay up all night. What if I can't sleep? Then stare at the ceiling dramatically. Or just go bother your sister. Great. And you, Matilda. What? Keep an eye on him tonight. He'll be fine. I know. But he's 5. Atin, mas tanda si Matilda sa atin. Don't scare him and don't mess with him tonight. I don't scare him. You do. Doors stay locked. Don't open for anybody. Ang dami ng mga ebas. Got it? Got it? Okay. Yeah. Really need to go. Alright. Be good. We'll see you in the morning. Magde-date pala si Mama tsaka si Papa eh. 28 minutes later. Bakit hindi exact? Ganti na si Matilda. Alright. Mom made homework for me. She said she left it on my desk. I'll do them before sleeping. I want to show her tomorrow. Ano, Matt? Circle the picture that is different. Ito ba? Literal na circle eh. Circle the bigger group. Circle the cat. Oh! Check the door. No one's here. Ay! Pocha! Matilda, boo. Ha. Look at you. You got scared. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I saw your face. Come to my room. Why? I found something under the bed. What is it? It tells us how to play a secret game. What game? You'll see. Come on. Ako yung nagulat, hindi yung kapatid. Oy, parang masama to ah. Here, look what I found. Just read it. Right now? The new friend game. Sit together, hold hands, close your eyes. Say together. New friend come play, new friend come stay. New friend don't go away. Be quiet, be still. Wait for your new friend. This is the game? Mm-hmm. It says we get a new friend. Yeah, let's do it. Now? Yup. Sit here. Ha! Malapit mo na masyado. Okay. Now hold my hands. Hold Matilda's
May mga
hands.
nakso.
Close your eyes. Close my eyes. Over naman sa lapit. Matilda plus you. New friend. Come play. New friend. Come play. Ah, pares kami nagsasalita. New friend. Don't go away. Did it work? I don't know. Nothing happened. Maybe the new friend is shy. Leave Matilda's room. Nakita ko na yung chapter 2 nito eh, pero I'm kinda hungry. My tummy hurts. Maybe I can find some snacks in the kitchen. Kailangan daman-dama ko yung pagbabasa. Para daman-daman nyo rin yung ano. Dito ba yun? Mom always hides the good snacks up there. She thinks I can't reach them. But I know a trick. I can open the oven door and climb on it. Open the oven door. Ah, this one. Now just jump on it. Space jump. I should search for it there. Diba? But what if si Matilda nandito? Ah, Matilda ate it all. Go back to your room. Mahaba ba yung game na to? Binuksan ko ba to? Binuksan ko. Okay na. Balik na ako. Ang gagawin natin? So check ko ba lahat?
May nagtatago pala dyan na player na
Uy!
paint lang siya.
Kogi! Matilda, ito yung friend namin. Ito yung boyfriend. Ito ating friend eh. Ibang friend ata ang nakuha natin ha. Parang hindi natin friend yan ha.
Ang ganda ni Matilda.
Hey. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Higa na. Ayun na tayong friend na natawag natin, no? 38 minutes later. Mom said I should clean my room. I left all my
Kala
toys
mo si
everywhere
Matilda
again.
on.
Si Matilda rin yun. I'll put them away before sleeping. Then mom will be happy. Saan natin siya lalagay? Dito? Okay. Si Matilda din ata. Siguro sumapi lang kay Matilda. Put the toys in toy basket. Sumapi lang siguro kay Matilda yun. May isa pa ba? Ito pala. Matilda? Stop
Possessed
doing
ba
that.
si Matilda?
Parang possessed si Matilda. You're not funny. I'm opening the door. Check the door. Okay na, na-check ko na yung door. Na-check ko na yung door. Wala namang... Oh, wala naman eh. Uy, bakit di pa na... Batik naman. Ooh, what is that? Horror po, yeah. The TV is on. Did Matilda leave it on? Si Matilda to ah. What? Matilda? Why are you on the TV? You're upstairs. That's your room. Uy! What are you doing? Stop! You're scaring me. Oh shoot! What the? Her face. I don't want to go upstairs. I'm taking Dad's flashlight. He keeps it here when the lights go out. Ayan na nga. Okay. It still has batteries. Dad keeps extra batteries around the house. Press B to reload your flashlight if you've found spare batteries. Okay. As long as I keep the house lights on, maybe I won't need it. But if the lights go out, I'll need more batteries. Go back to your room. Wait, di ba kailangan... So, just open the lights. Parang gusto ko na lang buksan. Okay na. Hindi naman daw kakailanganin eh. I will kill you all? Ano yung M? Ano yung M? Did you do this? That's not funny. M is Matilda. Hello? Paano ko babasahin ito nasa cellphone, pre? Hello, little brother. Hello, little brother. Who is this? Your new friend. Where's Matilda? She is here. Give her back.
Ano bibig mo?
Tapa ko bibig ko, ano? No. She invited me in. Your sister is the vessel now. Soon she will kill everyone in this house. Mother, father, you. No. You can save her. How? We will play a game. The new friend game. I made a doll. Then I broke her. Hid the pieces in your house. Find them.
Invento ng game ha.
There is a radar hidden in the house. Pick it up. It will help you find the nearest doll body part. Make her whole again. Put every piece on her bed. But hurry.
Madali
She is
yan
looking
nasa
for
pusa
you
ng
now.
bata.
And she doesn't want to be saved. Okay. So para siyang granny. Find the doll pieces. Put them back on Matilda's bed. That's how I bring her back. But she's not Matilda anymore. If she finds me, she'll kill me. I can hide in the closets. If I hear her, I have to hide. I'm really scared, but she's my sister. I have to save her. Bakit? Narinig ko na siya. Can I hide na? No. Paano magtago? Okay. Narinig ko na siya eh. Di ko pwedeng buksan yung flashlight na matagal. Little Brothers. Okay. Cute art niya. Kung nag-paint ka, o nga eh. Ano, mag-press F na ba ako para mapag-paint? Nandito siya sa kabilang side. I can hear her. Matilda! Nasaan yung radar na sinasabi? Kailangan natin mahanap. Nandito lang siya sa kabila. So, pwede tayo pumunta every kahit susulok-sulukan pare. Dito wala. Ay, parang ayoko dyan ah. Ito yung tipis. Paano natin malalagay sa ano to? Nasa taas ba siya? Meron sa bintana? Ba't di may bintana? Ano meron sa bintana? Asan yung bed? Sa bed niya mismo? Dadaling ko sa bed niya mismo? Eh parang hindi maganda yan. Paano ko i-drop to? Oh, bawal mag-drop. Nandito yung daan eh. Ay! Oh my God, Matilda, no! Please! Matilda! Okay na. Nandito sa kabila. Dalhin natin ngayon dun. Saan? Where's the bed? Nasaan yung bed niya? Ito ba? Oh my goodness, guys. Hindi ko Ito. Ito, meron tayo isa. Okay. Right leg! Meron tayo right leg. So, open. First time sa live ko. Alright, di ka na matakot ha. Wait, ay! What the frick? The doll must be rebuilt on Matilda's bed. Ulit tayo. Hindi ka naman nagulat. Let's do it again. Basta nandun yung isa. Siguro hindi naman nililipat yung ibang place ng doll. Yung mga parts ng doll. Tama ba? Ay! Ay, what? Nalilipat ba? Or nagsisave? Nalilipat ata eh. Wait lang ah. Hirap. Ang dilim kasi. Yung radar nasa kwarto ba? Okay, sige. May nabanggit nga kanina radar. Nandito ata siya sa hallway na to. Okay, the radar. Open the radar. R para sa radar. Ito. Nandun nga kung nasan tayo kanina. Pwede ako tumuntong sa mataas na lugar. Okay, sige. Try natin. Radar, nasan? Nasan? Where? Ito. Ayun! Nakita ko na yung ulo! May ulo na tayo, pre! Nasa kabilang side siya, go lang. Pwede tayo pumunta dito. And then... Sino? Sobra lang. Ayun siya. Okay. Nakita ko siya. Pwede nang takboy dito. Buksan natin lahat ng ilaw para hindi sayang. Nasa baba lang siya. Ilaw! Nasaan yung ilaw? Flash! Ay, switch! Ay, oo nga. Nasisave nga. Hindi natin kailangan umulit ng fully. Okay. Kailangan ko magtago.
Flash hahaha.
Tago muna. Narinig ko siya. Nandito lang sa tabi. Tabi lang yung mismong cabinet. Isa na lang. Torso na lang, tsaka yung left hand. Left hand na lang. Saan to? Sa lalabas tayo, guys. Dito banda, oh. So, dapat paglabas ko ng pinto, kakaliwa tayo, pare. Kailangan natin kumaliwa. Safe ba? Safe ba?
Ang intense na leche, baka asa labas lang.
Dali! Torso na lang, pare. Okay na. Isa na lang. Kailangan di tayo mahuli.
Bang.
Isa na lang, oh. Oo, isa na lang. Yung katawan na lang, katawan. YOLO ko na ba to, guys? Nasi-save naman ata eh. Nandoon siguro sa baba. So, kakaliwa ka ulit.
Di ko LNG yan.
Dito natin siya Okay, dadaan siya dito. Di siya nagre-reset, no? Kahit mamatay tayo. Pero kasi, yung iniiwasan ko dito yung gulat eh. Pucha, ito lang pala! Ay, tapos na! Go to your room! Matilda?
Doon lang pala langya ka.
Doon lang pala yun? Okay. Okay na ba? Wala. Safe? Wala nakatago dito? Wala nakatago. Sa bed, wala. Okay, sige. Hello? Good job. You found every piece. You put her back together. Thank you. I couldn't live without your help. Ha? See you soon. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Man, kailangan ko ng chapter 1 kasi wala pa tayo chapter 2. Matilda isn't over yet. Chapter 2 is currently planned. If you'd like to help bring chapter 2. Apparently naman nun. Kala ko naman nasa isang oras yung game.
Nakalabas ba